Hello, everyone. Today we teach you to upgrade its Ford Force. This is its car console. This car is older. The radio system is seriously aging, ready to upgrade it to an Android system. This is the upgraded Android screen. The appearance is very large. The function is very much. It is built-in wireless Carplay Android Auto, through which you can use voice assistants, make phone calls, listen to songs, use online maps and a variety of applications on your phone. So do you want to know how to upgrade? Please watch the video. First of all, we remove the screw hole protection panel below the button panel. Then you can see it here has two fixed screws, both screwed it off. You can now disassemble the entire keypad panel. There is only one wire connection on the back of the panel. We pull it off and remove the panel completely. Now we remove its CD host and screen. Because they are combined together, only need to remove 4 screws. Take them off together and unplug all the connecting plugs on the back. Okay, we now remove the 2 air outlets on the button panel. It is fixed by the 2 sides of the buckle. When dismantling should pay attention to. Now that the disassembly is completed, we are ready to upgrade the installation. Okay, now the bottom of the new screen is used for fixing the screw panel mounting. Install 2 disassembled air outlets to the back of the new screen frame. Now begin to connect the power harness. This is its canvas box. Then the wiring harness is connected with the original car power plug. Then connect this small original car plug. Note, this plug does not need to be connected. Now connect the RCA cable to the back of the screen. Connect the video output wire. Connect the USB cable. It has to. Connect the radio antenna. Connect the GPS antenna. Then connect the radio antenna to the original car radio plug. Connect these 2 yellow reversing video plugs. Then the red and white plug on the power harness is connected with the AUX in red and white plug of the RCA wire. Connect the communication serial port plug. This is the keypad plug. Connect it to the back of the screen. Finally, connect the screen power supply plug. Now install the screen knob. Reinstall the 2 screws. Finally, install the screw cover underneath. Now has been installed boot. We will demonstrate the function. It supports air conditioning information synchronization. Support car reversing radar. You can use map navigation. You can download other map applications. You can dial a Bluetooth phone through the screen. You can use the steering wheel button to listen, ham up. You can listen to local or online music. If you don't feel good enough, you can use the steering wheel button to adjust the volume. You can adjust the tone of the sound according to your preferences. Well, there are a lot of functions will not be displayed one after another, waiting for you to experience. The video ends here. Thank you for watching.